Today, I'm going to explain how to watch ITVX Kids live on the internet easily and for free. ITVX Kids is the children's section of the ITV platform, with kids programs, cartoons, and shows made especially for younger viewers, all available in a family-friendly environment. To access the live stream, you need to use the official ITVX platform. Just go to itv.com in your web browser and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free in just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, click on the Live menu at the top of the page, then select the ITVX Kids channel to start watching live. You can also easily find children's content on demand. To do that, click on Categories in the top menu and then choose Kids. You'll then access a dedicated section with kids shows, cartoons, and programs available on replay, so they can be watched anytime you want. ITV is also available as a mobile app which lets you watch children's programs live or on demand on your smartphone or tablet after logging into your account with the same experience as on the website. If you are outside the United Kingdom, access to live content may be blocked because of geographic restrictions. In that case, you can use a VPN with a UK IP address to access ITV as if you were connected from the UK. Of course, using a VPN should always be done legally and in accordance with ITV's terms of service. ITV also offers a premium plan at £5.99 per month, which mainly allows you to remove ads and access a larger content library. And that's it. Now you know how to watch ITVX Kids live online and how to easily find children's programs through the Kids category. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment to tell me if it works for you, and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials.